Hi there, Mr.Muhammed is here. I'm going to solve and explain a lot of questions from grade 12 scientific math. Check out my other videos. I hope my tutorials can support you. Feel free to ask me questions. To solve these questions, what do we have? The question asks about finding the slope and the y-intercept for each line. So to find the slope from equation, we need to remember this rule. Y is equal to mx minus b. And the m is the slope. We need to rewrite this equation in this form. Then the number in front of x, the coefficient of x, will be the slope. To start this, we have x plus 5y is equal to 20. To keep y alone on this side, we need to send the x to the other side. 5y is equal to x is positive, it's gonna be negative x plus 20 because this 20 is positive. Now to get rid of this 5, we're going to divide both sides by 5. Then 5y divided by 5 will be equal to y. Negative x divided by 5 will be negative 1 over 5 because the number in front of x now is 1. X plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Now we have y alone on a side. The number in front of x is the slope. So the slope for the first equation is m is equal to negative 1 over 5. To find the y-intercept for this equation, we're going to put 0 in place of x, then we'll find the y-intercept. Here, if we put 0 in place of x, what will we get? We will get y is equal to 1 over 5 times 0 plus 4. So this side completely will be 0 because it's multiplied by 0. Only the 4 remains, so y is equal to 4 is the y-intercept for the first equation. This is the y-intercept. Question 20. We have 6x minus y is equal to 15. 6x minus 5y is equal to 15. This 5y is negative. If we send it to the other side, it will be positive, or we can just keep it on this side. Later on, we divide by negative 5 to get rid of the negative. So, like this question, send the x to the other side. So, negative 5y is equal to this x. 6x is positive. It's gonna be negative. And this 15 is positive. Now to get rid of this negative 5, we are going to divide both sides by negative 5. And this side divided by negative 5. Then it will be equal to y equals negative 6 divided by negative 5. It will be just 6 over 5 x plus 15 divided by negative 5 is going to be negative 3. It's going to be negative 3. Now, do we have y alone on a side? Yes. The coefficient of x is the slope. To find the y-intercept, we're going to put 0 in place of x, and we will get y is equal to, this amount will be 0, negative 3. This one is the y-intercept for the second equation. To solve the third question here, question 21 and question 22, these two ones are the constants. So the question 21, it's just a vertical line, and the slope for vertical line is undefined. And this one, okay, let's explain this one. X equals 4 on the xy axis. It's just a straight line that passing through x equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a straight line that passing through x equals 4. Then it has no any y-intercept. It doesn't cross the y-axis, at all. And the slope of it is undefined. The slope m is undefined, and y-intercept, no y-intercept. This one, it's a horizontal line that passing through y equals -1. The slope is 0 for horizontal line, as m is equal to 0, and the y-intercept, it's already given. Y equals -1 is also the y-intercept. This is the slope, and the y-intercept, this horizontal straight line passing y-axis only through -1. Thanks for watching.